back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be creating this peachy bronzy makeup glam look. Honey, I think peachy bronze makeup looks are just perfect for the summer. They're just so beautiful. I decided to do a very wearable but glam pretty version of this. I did do a very extra peachy bronze glam look. If you guys watched a get ready with me, a chit chat get ready with me that I did a while back, well, not too long ago, but I'll just put the picture in the screen. That was a very extra peachy bronze glam look, but a few of you wanted like a peachy bronze glam look that's perfect for like prom, because listen, I don't even know when prom starts or ends. Like, I swear some people have prom until July, so I don't know. So I'm not gonna really name this a prom makeup glam look, but this can be for a prom look if you're looking for a peachy bronze wearable pretty easier glam to do for your prom girl. I got you, girl. So you know, this one is very wearable, it's very pretty, it's very glam, it's very let's go have some brunch, darling, let's go have some bougie tea and gossip and spill some tea. Oh my gosh, I love this wig. Like, so without further congé, if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this very peachy bronzy glam makeup look, then stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So I already primed my lids with some concealer, and I'm just patting it out with that Morphe G34 brush. And I'm taking some translucent powder with this Morphe M514 brush. Y'all, I was rapping, sorry, I was listening to Nicki Minaj. And just like setting my upper brow bone area before I start my eyeshadow. Girl, I'm taking this BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals palette and this Morphe shader brush. It came in a set, so I will link the set down below, but you're gonna have to find the brush because I don't know. And I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone. Next, I'm going into these three shades right here, and this is a Morphe M518 brush, and this is going to be our transition shade, so I'm just going to softly work that into the crease. I'm using very minimal product because sometimes I go a little bit too heavy, so I'm just trying to build up the shadow slowly. You know, I'm not going straight in with pigment, I'm just kind of slowly trying to build up the pigmentation, but we want to keep this look very soft. I'm just going to deepen up my crease a little bit with this chocolate brown mocha shade with the same brush. I'm just going to work it slightly down below. Well, you know, I tried. On the other eye, I did it. But, you know, every time I do the eye on camera, it's never like the same, you feel me? But anyways, I'm just trying to work that a little bit down below to deepen up the crease. And now we're going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I'm going to take the shade Eden, which is the perfect peach shade. And I'm using the brush that comes in the palette. And I'm just going to pack that onto my lid to build up the pigmentation. And that is going to be our base peach shade before we add some shimmer on top. And now I'm going to go into the shade Parallel in the same Prism palette. This is a Morphe R41 brush. And I'm just going to softly like deepen up the crease because it wasn't as deep as I wanted it to be. So I'm just going to very softly define the crease and add a little bit more depth. And now I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Artistry palette. I'm just going to take these. This is like a peach shade. It's like a peach shimmer shade, kind of. And I'm going to wet it with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So it's like, well, 1, so it can stick to my lids. 2, it was very hard to build up the pigmentation of the shimmer shade dry. Like, it just would not stick. So I needed something else. And the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray was actually perfect because it stuck to my lid and it lasted like all day. Next, I'm going to take this this deeper chocolate brown shade. No, wait, this is like espresso, huh? Anyways, I'm taking this Morphe like liner brush. The name will be down below. It's not on the top of my head right now. And I'm just going to line my lash line. This is just going to act as like a very soft liner. And now I'm just taking that MAC Eye Kohl. This is in the shade Feline, very gently, and then I'm going back in with that same brush and the same shadow we used for the top liner, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line. And next I'm just going to take that same shade Eden from the Prism palette and just drag it across my lower lash line to 1, blend out that espresso shade, and 2, balance out the eye. For highlight, I'm taking the same shades we used for our brow bone, and this is a Sigma E30, and I'm just highlighting the lower inner corner and then the inner corner, if that makes any type of sense, girl. I applied some mascara off camera, and I applied these lashes. These are by Adorned by Shay. The names will be linked down below. To bronze, I'm taking this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Kit in the shade Medium to Dark. I'm going to take the center shade with the Morphe E33 very fluffy fan brush, and we're going to bronze up the hollows of our cheeks, as well as our temples and our forehead and our double chin. Y'all know the drill, but I really love this fan brush for this purpose, and I really love this contour kit. Like, it's so good. For my forehead, I'm taking a smaller brush. This is the Morphe M437, just so I don't mess up my baby hair action, because that fan brush will pick up my, actually, you know, clock my wig this time. You can clock my wig because I don't know what happened, but you can really see her today. Anyways, I'm just going to bronze up my face, and I'm taking that same Morphe M437 to clock that double chin, girl. For my nose contour, I'm going to take the Balm Cosmetics Take Home the Bronze bronzer. This one is in the shade Oscar with a Morphe PK524 brush, and I'm just going to softly contour my nose. Nothing extreme. We're just going to add some definition. For blush, I'm going to take this Morphe 9B palette. I'm going to take the first shade, actually, because it is a very peachy shade. And this is a Morphe E4 brush, and I'm going to, you know, add a flush of color to my face. I'm also adding it over top of my bronzer because I really like how that looks. And did you guys know, I think Morphe discontinued this palette because I couldn't find it on their site, and I'm so sad. Okay, I'm gonna, spritz my face first before we put on the highlight. And for my highlight, y'all know I'm doing my cocktail of the Maybelline Master Chrome Colourpop Churro and the ABH Amrezy palette. This is the Moda Highlight and Glow brush per usual. I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face, my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, the upper bridge of my nose, as well as my Cupid's bow. I want a little light on the Cupid's bow, okay? I'll try not to do a highlight mustache from now on. I'm just going to spray my face one more time. I'm going to apply 3 Buxom Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipsticks. The shade names will be down below, but I mixed all 3 to get the perfect peachy shade. This one was a little too on the pinky side, so you're going to see me add a deeper color on the outskirts of my lips to get the perfect peachy light color. And I realized I don't have a peachy lipstick. I need to get one. What is your guys' favorite peachy nude lipstick? Let me know, girl. And, you know, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this peachy bronze summery makeup glam look. She's real cute. I really like this look with this wig. Today's shout out goes out to Jessica M. Thank you so much, Jessica M, for having my post notifications on, girl. I love you so much. I appreciate your support, girl. If you would like an appreciation shout out in one of my videos, first, ensure you are subscribed to my channel, duh. Hashtag notification gang or squad after your comment, and tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads. I love you guys so much. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.